In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can extract here in Arc Raiders step by step. Before we get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, obviously you do need to go ahead and get into a map, which I'm sure you know how to do, but hit play, get loaded into really any one that you want. But once you are in a match and you are ready to extract, what you're going to want to do is find an extraction point. If you open up the map, it's going to look something like this, and the extraction points are going to be downward arrow icons. Usually they have like a little timer next to them. If the timer is yellow, that means the extraction point is about to close. Any icon with a down arrow and a timer that is not active is not one that you're going to want to go to. You want to go to an active extraction point. Once you get to the extraction point, interact with the console, start the extraction, and as soon as you press the button, it's going to make a noise and start attracting both the raiders and arc enemies. So be prepared to fight. It usually is a good idea to hide inside a nearby building or take cover while you do wait, since it takes about 20 seconds to complete. And during this time, enemies may try and take you out. If you get downed, just crawl to safety. The arc enemies won't finish you off while you are downed, though enemy raiders might, so just keep that in mind. Whenever the extraction completes, you'll hear an audio cue like your elevator is open. At that point, make your way back to that console. If you are down, crawl over to it, and the enemies will leave you alone. But when you're at the console, you either have to wait 2 minutes for the hatch to automatically descend, or just interact with the computer to speed it up. Interacting only makes it take about 5 to 10 seconds, and after that, the hatch opens. Pull that trigger, drop into the hatch, and you've officially extracted. It really is as simple as that. That is how you can extract here in Arc Raiders. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.